Hello friends, good day. 10th of September, that's today, is celebrated as World Suicide Prevention Day. My whole gang of teenagers is ready with the messages for you, and here they go.
Place your hand above your heart. Do you feel something? Yes, that is called a purpose. So, never give up.
Always remember that in the end, one needs way more courage to live than to kill oneself.
Believe in yourself and all that you are.
Suicide does not eliminate the possibility of life getting any worse. It eliminates the possibility of life getting any better.
The longer we dwell on our misfortunes, the greater is their power in causing us harm.
You're alive for a reason, so don't ever give up.
Your worth does not depend on the number of likes you get on a post or the number of followers you have on social media. You are unique. You are special.
The world is a better place with you in it.
Difficult roads often leads to beautiful destinations. So, don't quit.
The purpose of our life is to be happy.
However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at.
Remember, it is not a sign of weakness to ask for help. It is a sign of strength.
The most important thing is to enjoy life. To be happy, that's all that matters.
It's only in the darkest night that the stars shine more brilliantly.
So, finally, I have two messages to give to you. One in Konkani and one in English. भिवपाची गरज ना, सॅड जावपाची गरज ना. कितेंय डिफिकल्टी असल्यार, कितेंय प्रॉब्लेम असल्यार जीव दिवपाची गरज ना. Life is precious. Live it, love it. No need of getting scared. Neither is there need of getting sad. If at all there is a problem in life, anyways, giving up life or suicide is not the only way. Life is precious. Live it, love it.